Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to scan and create PDF with your Google Drive on your mobile. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you found this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Google Drive. I'm going to click on here, open my Google Drive. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on this camera icon right here. Then you have to position your document. Then snap automatically capture. Once it snaps, it takes you to this particular page. Here, you can add some effect by using filter right here. So click on filter. So when you click on filter, filter allow you to add color, or better still, you can swipe this way and turn it to black and white. Everything depends on what exactly you want to achieve. Once you satisfy, you can apply. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on done right here. So by default, it's going to mark PDF right here. Next thing you need to do is to hit on upload. So it's as simple as that. For you to find a PDF, next thing you need to do is to click on search in Drive right here. Then type in PDF.